Do you remember the first advertisement that truly caught your eye? Perhaps it was a colorful magazine page from your childhood. Maybe it was a catchy jingle you could not get out of your head. These moments are like snapshots in a family album. They mark points along a much longer timeline. The story of advertising did not begin with glossy paper or television screens. It started long, long ago. It began with the simple human need to share information. A merchant has fresh bread to sell. How does he let people know? He might paint a sign on his wall or hire someone to shout the news. These were the first advertisements. Direct, simple, with a clear purpose. Connect seller and buyer. This fundamental idea never changed, even as the world transformed. We will see tools give us new voices, printing press to smartphone, and stories grow richer, more emotional, more personal. The earliest forms of advertising were as simple as human speech itself. In Egypt, Greece, and Rome, merchants used town criers to announce arriving ships, fine wine, spices, and textiles. Simple shop signs, images for a public that often could not read, were the first logos. A universal language of images pointing you to what you needed. The 15th century printing press was a monumental shift, though its impact on ads took time. By the 1700s, newspapers flourished in Europe and the American colonies. Small, text-heavy notices appeared. Lost goods, property for sale, services available. The printed word reached further than any town crier. The 1800s ushered in posters and handbills for growing, crowded cities. Bold fonts, eye-catching layouts, announcing plays, shipments, and more. In America, posters exploded, fueling westward dreams of land and opportunity. In Europe, artists elevated the poster. Advertising became a visual spectacle. A symbiotic bond formed. Ads kept papers affordable. Papers delivered customers. The Industrial Revolution of the late 1800s changed everything. Companies needed national demand for identical factory-made products. Necessity birthed modern advertising. Big, bold, creative campaigns. Legendary brands built empires through the power of print and magazines. New printing tech brought rich color and detailed illustration. Ads became full-page works of art, stories of modern life and aspiration. Slogans sold more than products, moments, relief, identity. Advertising told stories, selling aspirations. Then came radio, the new voice entering the home. Advertisers could speak directly to millions. Personal, authoritative. Brands sponsored entire shows, weaving messages into entertainment. Commercial breaks sang, jingles stuck in memory. Sound effects transported the mind. Music set mood and emotion. America's commercial radio soared. Elsewhere, public models tempered advertising, but sound's power endured. The 1950s ushered in the golden age of television, the magical box in the living room. It fused the visual power of print with the voice of radio, demonstrations in motion. From whiter clothes to the family car, ads became short, compelling stories. Prime time and big events turned ads into cultural moments. Around the world, television spread. Local cultures added unique voices, humor, style, cinematic flair. A global consumer culture with many local dialects. By the late 1990s, the internet arrived. Early online ads were clumsy, banner-like billboards. Search-matched ads to intent. Running shoes for the person who wants running shoes. Then social media, advertising became a conversation. Like, share, comment, brands reply in real time. Everyday creators became advocates. Data enabled precise targeting and raised new privacy questions. From a marketplace shout to a digital whisper, each medium closed distance between seller and buyer.